All right, we're gonna do an unboxing and first look of this air fryer. All right, so this is how the actual box looks. All right, guys, this is how it looks. It's really light, compact, and this is the size of this part. And you can take out this, which makes it easier to clean for sure. Let's go ahead and plug it in and check out the different settings. All right, so we have it powered on. You have the screen right here and your different settings. So right here, you can customize the time and temp. As far as the temp, the highest is 400 and the lowest is 200. And the time can go all the way up to 60 minutes. And then you have your custom presets, fish, fries, chicken, and meat. So let's go ahead and do a sound test just to hear how it sounds. We're gonna start it. You can see it has your countdown right here, nice and big. I like that. It's rotating circle. I would say the sound is about average for an air fryer, at least the ones that I've used. And you can see here too just how this fits in our kitchen. I think it's pretty compact. It won't take up too much space. So yeah, just my initial thoughts and first look at this air fryer. As you can see, very compact, very simple to use, and it looks nice.